Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a website that look exactly like this. So this website is where you can buy temporary number for your verification, like WhatsApp verification, Telegram verification, Facebook verification, Instagram verification, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to be showing you how you can create an exact website that look like this. So when you are done creating it, whenever a user come to your website to purchase a number for a particular social media, let me say for like Telegram or Facebook or Instagram or WhatsApp, so they can be able to register a number and also receive an OTP for the verification of that number. So I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can create it and also connect your API and do some necessary changes in case you want to do that. But before I get started, if you're new to my channel, please kindly do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so that anytime I release a new video like this, you can be able to get a notification for that. Alright, so I hope you guys know what this particular website is all about. So I will not go in details explaining and all that. So for you to be able to get started, you just need to get your domain name and your hosting. I just um, go to Hostinger. Like just come to Hostinger or you come to Namecheap. So anyone you like, or if you have a registrar that you are using already, or a domain name saver, anyone that you are using, you can use them. It's fine. So once you have gotten your domain name and your hosting, all you just need to do, you just need to start building your website. So, and this is where I'm going to be hosting this particular website. So I'm going to be uploading our script here. So once you are done paying for the hosting name, domain name, they are going to be sending you your hosting logins in your email. So once they email you the login, all you just need to do is just log into your cPanel and you're redirected to a page like this. So in this page now, we just need to, this is where we are going to be building our website. So now for us to be able to start building it, so let me just quickly upload my file. Come to this upload, this file manager, then you locate your domain. So in case if you purchase a new domain with a new hosting, so you are going to be using this public underscore HTML. But since that I'm using an add-on domain, so I'm just going to be using my add-on domain. So this is my root domain here. Then I upload my file. So I'm going to be uploading this file here. So for you to be able to get access to this file, I just click the link in the description and you can be able to get the copy of this file. So now let me just select my file. So this is it. Then upload my file here. We just need to wait for the upload to complete. So make sure that this blue icon, this blue bar here turns to green before we can be able to proceed to the next step. All right, so now that our upload is completed, so let's proceed to the next step. So the next step now, we need to come to our file manager, then you come to database. So you're going to see this database option. You come to manage my database. So now we are going to be creating a database username and password. So with this now, we need to give our database a name. So I'm just going to be using SMS. So just as my database name, we click on create button. So once we click on create, we need to go back and create a user also. So now let's go back and also create a database user. So this is our database user now. So let me just use them as SMS as my database user. Sorry, mistake. As then the password, click on password generator, copy this password. So I've copied it on my clipboard and click I have copied this password in a safe place. Then click on use password. So now we need to click on create user. Then now so we just need to skip this and go back. So now the third step, we need to add our database to our user. So like this now, you can see add user to database. So you just need to come to this side and then select our user and also our data, which is you can see this user, the data user that I created and this database. Then click on add. So once you click on add, you select all privileges, then you click on make changes. All right, so now let's go back to our folder. So now let's reload this. This is the file that we created, right? So you just need to right click, then we extract. You extract it. Just need to give it some time for it to extract. All right, so once it's done extracting, we just need to come to this file. So let's reload this and look at the folder here. We double click on the folder, we copy, we select all, then we move back to our domain. So we click on move, then we'll move it to our domain name. Remove the public underscore HTML, just leave it to your domain only. So this is my domain, then we just click on enter button or you click on move. So we are going to move all the file back to the root domain, then click on one level. So this is our file here now. So now the next step we need to do after creating, uploading and creating our database, we need to connect our database to our script. So by doing that, come to this include folder. So this is the folder here, include folder. Double click, then this config.php. You right click and click on edit. So let's edit this. All right, so now we need to copy our database username, database and also the password. So I already have the password. I have it on my clipboard. So let me just paste it here. So this is the password. Then let me go back and copy the database. So I'm just going to be copying one because I use same name for the database and the user. So now let me just paste it here. Paste it here, and also paste it here. You can just click on Ctrl F, find and Ctrl H, then to replace anyone that you want. All right, so now that we have set up our database, you just need to click on save changes. All right, so now I click on save changes. So now the next step we need to do, we need to go to our PHP my admin and upload our scripts. So you come to PHP my admin, come to database again, then you click on PHP my admin, click on it. So we are going to be imputing our database. So but before we get started in that part, so this script work with version 7.4. so it worked with 7.4, but if first reload this page now, I think it should be working, right? So look at it, it's working. So it's working, but if we click on this login page, it will not work because we are not connected to our database. Now let me go and change the PHP version. So let me change it to 7.4. So this is it, 7.4. All right. Okay. Then once we're in our database, we need to locate our file, like the database that we created. So this is it here, SMS. So this is it. Tap on it. Then we click on import. So we need to import this now. Then let me import the database. All right, so this is the database here. Import it. Click on import. So make sure that you are importing it on your database. You import it, then wait for some minutes. So the importation is now completed. So the next step we need to do, we need to do some necessary editing here so that our websites can be able to work properly. But let me just quickly come to this site again. Then let's click on login. All right, so you are going to be seeing that the login page is now working. Both the sign up page is working, but we cannot sign up because we need to set our, you can see this Google recap, so invalid domain name, you can see. So let's just quickly do this on the settings. So by doing this also, we need to we are going to be doing all the configuration in our PHP. Doing all the configuration in this PHP my admin. So now we just need to come to settings. So once you are in settings, now we need to change our web URL and the web name and all that. So now this is the phase two. We are done with phase one, uploading our scripts and connecting the script to the database and uploading our database. So now this is the phase two. So once you are done uploading the script, user can't register because of this. So by doing that, we need to, go to Google Recap. So we need to go to Google Recap to create our own keys. So by doing that, we need to come to Google Recap. So I'm going to be dropping this link in the description. Then once we are in Google Recap, then we copy our domain name. So you just copy your domain name. Once you copied it, then come to this side. You can see example. Just paste it. We are going to be using this okay, we are going to be using the number 2, or you can use number 1, anyone that you want. This 3 version 3 or version 2, anyone, but I normally use version 2. So now in this side we need to add our domain name also. So in this you can just add your domain name here, or if you have a project already, you can just leave it there, anyone that you want. So once you are done with this, you click on submit. So you just need to remove these dots. So let me just use SMS. Just click on submit. And let me just use my previous one. So click on submit. So now we are going to be given, you can see, a secret key and a site key. Secret key and site key. So now let's copy our site key first. So you copy the site key. So this is the site key now. I've copied it. Then you come to our settings. Then you just go to the edge. Then you are going to be seeing you can see this is the site key. You can see the recap, and this is the site key here. Then just double tap on it. Control Alt, then Control V to paste. Click enter. Then let's go and copy the secret key. So this is the secret key. We copied it also. Then we come to our settings. Okay, sorry, I made a mistake. This is the secret key. So the secret key should have been here. Then let's copy the site key. So the site key is the public key. So site key comes to public key, then you add it. All right, so we are done. Then let's come to our website and let's refresh this. Then you can see that our button is now here. So now the next step we need to do, we need to change our, you can see, web URL. Let's change our web URL. So this is it. Just double tap something. All right, so you can change the name, the web name. So I'm just going to all SMS. All right. Then so I think we are done. In this place now, we are going to be saying in case you want to support crypto payments, so you can just come and put your crypto API. Just go to CryptoMos, register a merchandise account, then you are going to be given API key and a merchant key. So you just need to input it here and you are good to go. So the next step, the next thing you need to do, you need to change this support, this channel link and support URL, channel URL, support URL to yours, so that whenever user want to contact you, they can be able to contact you. So make sure you do that. And again, so we need to log into our account so we can know how we can be able to connect our APIs and all that. So for that, you just need to go to the user side and okay, user data. Come to user data. Then we are going to be changing or logging in as an admin. So you just need to log in as an admin. This is a user, this is an admin, this is an admin. So you can easily convert any one of these or any of your user to admin just by double tap on it. Then just remove all and then set it to admin. Just that, and you are good to go. So I'm just going to be changing this password so I can just get access to the admin dashboard. So this I'm going to be logging in with this. So this first one. So this user I'm just going to be changing it to admin. All right. So the password I just need to edit this. I didn't know the password, so I just need to edit the and just this is the password section. You can see password. So just remove everything, then just put your password. I'm just going to be putting my password 1 2 3 4. All right, so then come to this side and select MD5. Then save. Right. So let me just quickly log in. Let me just copy this and log into the account. So let me just paste the email. Then the username, the password is 1234. And let's click on login. You can see login success. So you can see that we have successfully logged into our dashboard. So this is the dashboard, but this is not the admin dashboard. And for you to be able to log into the admin dashboard as you are logging to the user, you can see this is an admin. So now let's come to our file. So this is our file here. So this is our file. Then you can see this file, this particular folder. Just copy it, then you come back as you log in this place. Just in this slash admin, just give it some space and just paste it, then add slash, then click on enter. So we are going to be redirected to the main admin dashboard. So this is the main admin dashboard here. All right, now we need to connect our API. So you can see add API. So you click on add API. So we are going to be getting our API for Tiger SMS or SMS Man. Anyone that you prefer. They have a lot of APIs providers, so you can just easily go to any place and create your account. So let me just quickly get my SMS, or let me just create a new account. So we are going to be using Tiger SMS. All right, so this is it, Tiger SMS. Just click on it. Then we click on this register button. So you need to register an account. So input your email. I'm just going to be putting my email and my password. All right, then my channel Telegram, you can just leave that one. Then you check this box. If you want to just click on register. Okay, so you just need to make a strong password. So I'm just going to be using this one provided. Then you verify it again. You can see they are using same stuff here, but their own is from Cloudflare. Just click on register. All right. So our account has been registered. So just click on this your email here. You are going to be provided with some API key. So you can see this is your API key. Just copy your API key. Come here. You can see the API name. Just put Tiger SMS. Then API key. You can see API URL. Just API key. I'm just going to be pasting the API key. Sorry, it's not the API key. Copy it again. Right, so this is the API key. Then the API URL. Just come to this side, copy it. Just copy it. Do exactly as I'm doing here. Then paste it. Then you say API dot. So this is it, but make sure that you add HTTP, HTTPS, right, slash slash. So this is it. We click on submit. Then our API is added. So if we come to the show API, you are going to be seeing, so this is the API that we added. You are going to be seeing that our balance here is 0. So let me just quickly delete this one. All right, so we now have our main API. You can see that your balance is showing 0. So let me remind you how this work. So now we are purchasing and this service from this particular service. So we are selling a service from this service. So which means that we need to fund this account for this particular size to work. So that anytime a user purchase a number on your website, it's going to be triggered on this website, and they are going to be selling it for you, and you are going to be selling it for your users. Mind you, this is automated, so you don't need to do all those stuff. The system is just going to be doing it automatically for you. All you just need to do is to be funding your account, just to be funding your account. That's just all. So once you are funding your account, you are good to go. So now we have connected you can see our API key. So I'm not going to be going through all every details of this stuff. So once you get your script and you are facing an issue, just feel free to message me, and I'm going to be guiding you through, because the video will be very, very, very long. So now let me say, if you want to add a payments gateway like a floater wave and all that. So I've already shown you where you can add your payments. Let me see your crypto payments. Now, if you want to add your payments gateway, which is floater wave, you can just come to floater wave. So come to floater wave, and you create an account. So this is it here. Floater wave, create an account. They are going to be giving you a public key and a secret key. So you come to your database, come to this included folder, and you paste your secret key. You edit config.php. So this is the config. Then you come and paste your secret key here. So once you paste your secret key, make sure that you just click on save changes. And the database, you just need to come to your settings and change your crypto payments gateway, create an account, and you are good to go. So let me just touch another thing in this particular script. So once you have log into this interface and all that, there are some changes that you need to do. But once you are getting this script from me, you don't need to do any changes. As long as you are using this like SMS platform API, you don't need to do any other changes, because if you are using other platform, I don't know their services and all that, because this one is already configured to Tiger SMS, because you need to, like this now, you come to show service. This is the UK. Come to show service, and if you see the service ID, to know if it tallies with their own service ID, so you can just come to this side and change their prices. So how to change prices? Come to this show service, come select your country, and this is all the country, select it. So let me select Canada, then you click on submit. You are going to be seeing the service available on Canada. You can see Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, and all that. So in case you want to add some new service, you can say add service. You click on add service, select the saver. Saver is the country, select the country, then you click, we put on the service price. Now, mind you that this script is in naira, so if you want the dollar script, I also have the dollar script, so you can just already configure it to dollar. So anyone that you want, just message me, I'm going to be providing it for you. Then you put the service name and the service ID. So let's come to this API section. So let me just quickly, this is the service section. So the service ID, this is the service ID here now. You can see this is the service ID. This is the service ID. So in case that you want to add a new service, whenever you see service ID, just know that is this. You can know, just know that it's this. So WhatsApp, if you're adding WhatsApp service ID, WhatsApp service ID is just WA. So we all know that one. So that is, you input your service name, put the price, then just click on submit, and it's going to be added. Then if you want to add a saver, so saver is a country. This the select is your saver. Then input the saver name. So it is the server name, which is the country. So you also have the server. Let me just scroll down to, okay, just okay, look at it here now. So let me say you want to add. We already have okay, let me say you want to add Brazil. So this is Brazil here. Say you want to add Brazil. Onto Brazil, then we paste in our name, which is the server name. Then you can say country ID. So this country ID is this 75. Paste it here. Once you paste it, then click on save. It's going to be added automatically. So it's going to be added automatically just like that. So you don't need to do any other stuff. So in this place, you can see your crypto transaction in case you are using a crypto payment and other stuff and so on and so forth. You can add admin and view your all users, people using your platform. And so you can also view your admin and all that. You can remove, you can block, and you can do a whole lot of things just with this particular website. So if you want to get your own script, just click the link in the description, and if you have any message, if you have any question that you have on this particular script, you just need to hit me, click on the link below to message me on WhatsApp, so you can just drop your question. I will be able to attend to you once I see your message. So if you find this video useful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so that anytime I release a new video like this, you can be able to get a notification for that. So see you in my next video, guys.